Our journey begins in the vibrant city of Sharm el-Sheikh, where the road comes alive with motion, light, and energy. As the car moves steadily forward, both sides of the street are filled with lively markets, glowing shop signs, and beautifully decorated trees. At first, the sky still carries the last touch of daylight, but slowly, the atmosphere transitions into evening. Street lights begin to turn on one by one, painting the surroundings with a warm golden glow. The city feels alive, modern yet calm, busy yet peaceful, creating a perfect introduction to this coastal destination. A charming ground-level hotel comes into view. At its center, there is a decorative water feature designed like a blooming flower, reflecting the surrounding lights beautifully. Soft lights flicker gently around the area, giving the entire scene a dreamy and slightly mysterious feeling. The balance between light and shadow creates a calm and almost magical nighttime ambience. It's the kind of place where you don't just stay, you experience the atmosphere. The scene shifts to a peaceful and scenic environment. The camera slowly climbs up a set of stone stairs, leading to a cozy, beautifully designed structure. On both sides, there are carefully arranged plants and greenery, adding freshness and life to the setting. As the camera moves forward, it feels as if we are walking through this place ourselves, discovering its quiet beauty step by step. Everything here feels intentional, calm, and perfectly balanced. As night deepens, we arrive at the hotel. The interior reveals spacious, elegant, and well-organized rooms designed for comfort and relaxation. Soft beds, neatly arranged interiors, and a clean, modern basin setup create a welcoming atmosphere. There's even a provision for hot water, ensuring a comfortable stay after a long day of travel. Every detail in the room reflects care, luxury, and convenience, making it a perfect place to unwind. Morning arrives with a completely different mood. Sunlight gently illuminates the surroundings, revealing lush greenery and a refreshing environment. Water fountains flow gracefully between pathways, adding a soothing sound to the scene. Flowers bloom in vibrant colors, and the air feels fresh and peaceful. It's a moment of calm, a beautiful start to a new day. Welcome to one of the most stunning destinations in Egypt, Reef Oasis Blue Bay Resort and Spa. This is not just a resort, it's an experience. Surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of the Red Sea, this offers luxury, comfort, and unforgettable views. Here, you'll find a large, luxurious swimming pool, a private beach with crystal-clear water, access to world-famous Red Sea snorkeling and diving experiences. The contrast of white architecture against the deep blue sea creates a picture-perfect escape. As sunlight reflects on the water, it creates a calming, almost hypnotic effect. Time feels slower here, and worries seem to disappear. Nearby, a stunning restaurant awaits. The buffet is filled with a wide variety of delicious options: fresh fruits, cakes, biscuits, salads, and many more carefully prepared dishes. Each item is presented beautifully, making the dining experience both visual and flavorful. The atmosphere is quiet, elegant, and incredibly relaxing. From the rooftop, the view becomes even more magical. You can see the sea stretching endlessly, while the sky slowly changes colors during sunset. It's the perfect moment to pause, breathe, and take everything in.